The Holy Stone HS440D Drone is a perfect blend of advanced technology and user-friendly features, offering an unmatched aerial adventure for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. The drone is equipped with a 4K ultra-clear camera, featuring a 120 degrees field of view lens and 90 degrees adjustable lens, providing perfect 3840 by 2160 resolution pictures. With GPS flight mode, the drone offers carefree flights with features like auto return, follow me, waypoint fly, and point of interest for a great flight experience. Weighing under 250 grams and featuring a foldable design, the drone is incredibly portable and comes with a customized carrying case, freeing you from FAA registration. Beginner-friendly features like One Key Takeoff landing and emergency stop ensure a reassuring journey during your first 19-minute flight time. The drone also offers multiple functions to meet various needs, including 2-speed switch, headless mode, altitude hold, and low battery warning.